Yeah, come on, try away.
And this one,
watch out, chat. Officer Wicked. Wicked. Watch that, watch that, watch that. Jesus.
Boy, you're wicked now. Watch out, Vanessa.
Yeah, idiot.
A woman don't want to hurt you.
You can't hurt me. You have to promise me that. You have to promise me that. I can't tell you that. You have to promise me. I'm looking at you and tell you that.
And we alone, you know, there are no other people out there.
Excuse me?
Other people out there.
May I go? Lady, step away.
And we alone, you know, there are other people out there.
No, not today. Not today. Lady, step away from the
You
car.
don't understand. If I'm out of road, you can't talk to me, but if I'm
Guys,
Give
me some assistance with this car. Come, pull this car out to me now. Give me some assistance with the car.
I'm market with it, and I'm market with it. Come on.
Okay, makes sense.
I'm sorry, you see them I say government badness and all them. So I never used to pay no mind still, you see it. I used to pay no mind because you know Jamaica this. You see, a government badness is true, man. Just imagine police I do a traffic stop. You see me? Stop a taxi and a man in the taxi say something to the police. You see me? Where man that say to the police, him get arrested. Freedom of speech. That me tell you the Jamaica lawless, you know. Me tell you, you know. Alright. Big nose, you know. You know you still gonna watch all of them things, you know. Remember say a bad man if you fight against, you know. Bad man. You see me? Man will shoot people with gun and them thing there. You see me? Them the people who fight against. So now fight against a regular citizen like this now. Tell me what you do for your party now. And one thing I know is if the Green Party win back Jamaica have the foolish black people for earth. You like a joke? If the Green Party win Jamaica have the foolish black people for earth. Give the orange man, make us see what the orange man up to. And if the orange man come with the same thing, we just call it Jamaica done for. It's not a real place, Jamaica just done. It done for.